Hi, this is the workbook for Introduction to Infertility. In here, you're going to capture where you are in your journey. I've just given a typical journey, but if your journey is a little bit different, make sure that you capture that. Okay? And in the next page, you're actually going to capture what are some additional facts you want to find out. I shared some quick facts with you. Are there any additional questions? Are you curious about anything else? Make sure you list them in that page. And you have 3 options. You can talk to your doctor and find additional information about it, or please reach out to me, see whether I can help you with that. Or if Google is your best friend, Google it and see what you get. I'll see you in the next module, which is as a woman. Bye.